How to become an Airbnb host. Are you guys facing issue to become an Airbnb host on mobile application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To start hosting on Airbnb, first of all, open Airbnb app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the right bottom of the screen where you can see a profile icon. Just simply tap on profile icon, then tap on your profile icon, which is located at the top of your screen. Just simply tap on the profile icon. After click on it, in order to become host, you need to verify your account first. If you don't know how to verify your account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you become the host, choose list your space. You'll be asked to provide property type, apartment, house, room, villa, etc. Number of guests it can accommodate, amenities like Wi-Fi, kitchen, AC, photos of your space. Make sure they are clear and well lit. Set your pricing, nightly rate, cleaning fee optional, discount for weekly or monthly stays. Add a detailed description and house rules so guests know what to expect. Once everything's look good, tap publish or list your space. Airbnb may review your listing before it goes live. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna become an Airbnb host. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.